good morning everyone. Today I am going to tell you about this pencil shading which is on page number 17 of your book, children. I am making this one pot, okay? And I am making in this file because I am finding this space is for you people, so you can draw it here. As you can see, it's HB for the pencil drawing, it's 2B, 4B and 6B, 5B for the shading of the pot. Now you can just see how I'm going to start. You all have to make plus so that your object should come proportionately this side also and this side also. So for this, as you can see, the small portion is up, then I have made a one line, then another line, third line, fourth line for the center, and you can also make one this line here for the correct proportion. So I am doing this, like, see, you can see the proportion is equal on both the sides, right? You also have to go along with this. Now I'll start the shading. 2B and then I'll apply 4B further for the darker part. So in the round area you can put the shading like this with a little bit of roundness in your pencil. See, and from where you are starting, that portion has to be darker than the portion which is there in the center. See, as I am doing, you will not smudge with the help of tissue paper or a finger or anything. You just have to smudge and merge the lines one into each other. See this. I have not merged any of the line with the help of with my finger or a tissue paper or whatever. This is the darkest one. Oh, it's broke. Now I am taking 5B for the darker tone. See, you can see the difference of 5B and 2B. See, this is the shade of a 5B. You can see the difference, children. This is 2B, right? So you can see the shade difference in between. So I am putting a darker tone for the 5B. See, these are the darker areas where the joints of the pot is there. These points are also a little darker, and these are the straight points. See, I am doing this shading straight. See, here also I am flatten my pencil and I am doing like this just because of the roundness of the pot. See, you have to merge the lines. 1 2 3 stop. As you can see, I am done with my shading. This part shows the light on the object wherever from it is falling, whether it is from the right side or from the left side or at the center. So children, please be careful while doing the shading, because the shades of your pot only tells that from where the light is falling on the particular object, right? So please do it at your home nicely. And you can also put like this. See, this is also a symbol of a light.